Okay, we started.
No, we need
We're making the best drink in the world.
We need different colours.
And Dylan shall be our cameraman.
Monkey bastard.
Okay.
Right. We need different coloured straws so we don't get infected.
What's that? Right, that helps more.
This is olive oil.
Okay, next step. We're putting olive oil on it.
No.
I'll put the kettle water in.
No, we're not just putting any kettle water. We're making tea and coffee put together.
Right. Orange juice.
You can have that.
That's not that bad so far. Milk. Let's get the milk.
Straws.
Okay, right.
Oh, we need to make the cup of coffee.
Wait.
Where's the mug?
Okay, get the tea bag.
The mug that I chipped down.
Get
Do you
the
like
tea
it?
bag.
The mug that I chipped.
You just temporarily disabled it.
Another tea bag, yeah.
Sorry.
Go.
Okay.
Just one spoonful.
That's gonna be minging.
Yeah, I know, but that's the point.
Why is it splashing everywhere?
Right. Kettle.
Oh my god.
What
else?
Strong or not?
Oh, the Pepsi, the Pepsi.
Did you use the raw egg idea?
Pepsi.
No, that'll kill you.
Mine too. Don't let your fingers. It's the camera.
No.
Alright, sorry. Look, they're making...
This is how you make an espresso, but minus the tea bag.
Yeah, right.
Oh, it's like,
Pepsi.
Wait, I've got it. No, you can put it back in.
Okay, so